on Mangamore TV.
Shout it out, shout it out, shout it out, shout it out, shout it out. 6 a.m. I know all too well, but those days are gone, I got nothing left to tell. And then you come in, I look to go out, yeah. But I'm afraid that I'll be opting out. Session 9 is alright for now. There is also time for figuring out just what it is that you're trying to do, yeah. Cause the mundane has its logic, baby. Shout it out, 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 Rosie, baby, shout it out. Shout it out, shout it out, shout it out, shout it out, Rosie, baby, shout it out.
Well, I wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, shout it out.
and you wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, shout it out.
I wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, shout it out.
and you wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, 6 a.m. and you're dead and gone. Ah, well, it's Sunday morning and your pretty face is long, and the party has gone out the door, and morning breath makes you a weekend whore. The things you say, yeah, you drank away your wits, but you're giving it up, you're gonna kick the habit, cause you woke up closed and don't recognize this place, yeah. Well, all I got is these out on my shout it out, 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 Rosie, baby, shout it out, 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 Rosie, baby, shout it out.
Well, I wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, shout it out.
and you wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, shout it out.
I wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, shout it out.
and you wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, shout it out.
yeah, I wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, shout it out.
and you wake up tomorrow feeling
Rosie, baby, ah.
Éonach ar fád, was, gur mí mága. Anna.